Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. A week or so ago, I fired off a rather angry email to The Economist magazine because of a rather shameful cover feature and interview that they included with one of Putin's favoured oligarchs, a guy called Andrei Melnichenko. Basically, they presented him as the man who would change Russia. And personally, I think it's naive in the extreme to believe that Melnichenko was able to give interviews. Apparently, he gave over 60 hours of interviews to The Economist. That he was able to give these interviews without the say-so of the Kremlin, without the say-so of Putin. In this context, the say-so either means the instructions to do something or the permission to do something. So maybe when you were growing up, you had friends who had particularly strict parents, and your friends basically weren't allowed to do anything without their parents' say-so. Or if you're working in TV or in the film industry, you'll know that the director calls all the shots and that nothing happens without their say-so. Maybe sometimes you're at work and you think something's okay, but you're not sure. You know you need to check with your boss. So you might tell someone, yeah, listen, I think it should be okay, but usually anything requiring investment, I can't really do without the boss's say-so. I need to get the boss's say-so. So I'll just check with the boss and get back to you. Hope that's okay. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your students, your friends, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use say-so.